Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 33mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout or activity on this watch. So first we need to press the lower button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the workout menu. And here you can scroll through the list of workouts, find the workout you want to start, and once you find it, you can tap on it. Here we have the pre-workout screen. We have the GPS signal, the strength, the heart rate, and if you decide to start the workout, you can simply tap on go. It will start the countdown, and once it's done, it will begin the workout. And here we have the first data pool, and you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through different data pools, as you can see. You can also swipe left or right on the screen to open different menus. The swiping right on the screen opens the pause menu, and here you can pause the workout, resume it. You can also stop the workout by pressing and holding on the X button. And if you swipe left, it will open the music controls basically, and here you can control the music on your phone if your watch is paired with a phone. And basically, if you're listening to something, you can control the music on your watch. If you press the lower button, it will pause the workout and resume it. And if you press the upper button, it will minimize the workout, and you can come back to it by tapping on this icon right here at the bottom of the screen, or by simply pressing the lower button to open the workout menu, like this. Okay, and that's about all, so let's end it, like this. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.